Today I show you how to change the photo of a contact on your Android phone. You can open the Contacts app or you can open the phone app directly. Once you open the phone app, you have favorites, recent, contact or contacts here. Make a search for the contact you want to find, and in case this one. If I tap on the name, you see the options here for calling and history, but if I tap on the picture there, it's showing me the contact details and all the information of this contact. This is a test phone number, it's temporary. And to change the photo or any details, all I have to do is tap there on the pencil to edit and then change. And once I press change, I could use the gallery, the picture. I could select this picture, for example, and I could also use the camera. You can also use the camera there and then choose. And now I can save this and the contact info is saved. This is not refreshed yet. If I search again, it's not refreshed yet. You don't see it in the list, but it will show up eventually. Now the picture is changed. You can use this for camera photos or the photos that are already on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you change photos on your Android phone. Thanks for watching.